We are the Laguna Terrace Beautification Team, representing residents of Laguna Terrace. We are a 5013C formed to develop better community parks and planting our open spaces with drought-tolerant California natives. Park maintenance, routine since 1970 when the parks were first built 52 years ago under the direction of the harbors, beaches, and parks. That's 50 plus years. Unfortunately, the structural amenities are showing wear and tear, as one might expect. Rust and decay are visible on our open space soil retention walls and the park equipment. The city is 31 years old as it was incorporated in December of 1991, and North Laguna Hills was annexed in July of 1995, 27 years ago. The decay that you see in the moldy condition of the benches and tables and the children play areas impacts residents, likely leading to not appreciating their parks. Hence, we would like to help the city focus on what are the most important things to address. Decay without maintenance leads to deletion, such as the white wood gazebo that was located at the corner of Santa Maria and San Remo. There's a good example of how things may go away, but now the bigger budget needs to address the replacement of the gazebo. Utility boxes are a display of what is an easement not being maintained on city property. We are proposing a rehab program using original art from Laguna Hills High School students, perhaps a trial program within the city of Laguna Hills. It's currently in vogue to use murals as a way to invoke the history of our town and present a culture of appreciation into the community. And it appears they usually receive less vandalism and destruction. The amenities that need to be replaced within our parks, such as benches. Young and old appreciate benches to relax in the surroundings of a park. Currently, it's evident that people have brought their own chairs and occasionally a bench. We are proposing benches in all 3 parks. San Remo Park has only 1 picnic table and 3 concrete benches immediately adjacent to the tennis court, facing toward the kids' playground. Benches are needed on the hillside above the tennis courts and as you enter the park along the street of San Remo. At least 2 more picnic tables, and we would make those ADA compliant for those who would like to picnic away from the playground. The existing volleyball court has been going unused for years now, perhaps because the sand quality is more like gravel, not conducive to enjoying a vigorous volleyball game. This could be 2 or 3 picnic tables separated from the street and sidewalk with trees and shrubs. The entry park at the corner of San Remo and Santa Maria is a main entrance to the Laguna Terrace community, providing a quiet seating area among the highest, oldest evergreen trees in all of Laguna Terrace. This area is the site of the former gazebo, wherein realtors first welcomed people to Laguna Terrace as the all-electric award-winning homes were first being sold. Recently, the city removed the gazebo as a potentially unsafe condition. The area needs at least 2 picnic tables, 1 perhaps in the middle of the majestic tall trees, and 1 where the former gazebo was located. We could think of it as a Zen garden, peaceful and quiet. 3 benches along the wall and 1 by Rimini Street would allow people to better enjoy the area. Artwork like that installed at the Community Services Building would be appreciated here. In fact, butterflies could be used at the boundaries of all 3 parks. Santa Victoria Park is adjacent to the San Joaquin Elementary School and attended by those 3 to 5-year-old children, equipped with 2 picnic tables. However, there is a need away from that focus of children to more picnic tables, similar to the other parks, 3 to 5 benches featuring views of others using the park, volleyball court, tennis court, handball practice wall. This park could be the location of a pickleball court, having become popular in the last 5 years. Optimally, the city and the elementary school will re-engage the joint use agreement to allow residents use of the larger soccer field on weekends and evenings. The previous use of such a large open space has been denied by the Saddleback Valley School District during the COVID impacts. But it's time to allow the public access for such a rare asset in the community. Baseball, basketball, and soccer are logical uses. We are the Laguna Terrace Beautification Team, representing residents of Laguna Terrace.